have baby, and when the baby finally born, now breed blue card, wrap around him neck 3 times and all sort of sitting now. No life. And you know we have to get on the prayer line, and you know people are pray for you and all these things. And I say, God, me lay down, cause when me ready now for go say, what you mean my baby now breed? What you mean my baby dead? Like no life, all them a knock, rub, nothing. I'm just saying, I say, Father God, you tell me, say, this a pregnancy is going to be a miracle. And me I go witness a miracle. A dead baby can't be a miracle. I'm just say, but my left it here still. I'm just lay down. Just lay down and watch them a rub. So while me just left everything to God. And I know some my family out there say pray. Plus my cousin them a pray. Me only see the doctor dash off for the baby because them say run. And them come